Right, Dennis is dialing in our hull to deck joint flange that we recreated. Looking friggin' awesome. Threw out some indicator lines, gives us an idea of exactly where that offset detail is. After 3 days of grinding, shaping, sanding, Dennis has dialed his lines in. See his reference lines. Earlier they ran a straight bar across, took measurements from their top line to the detail. Not only that it's consistent on one side, but that both sides match. I didn't get a chance to catch up with Scott and Dennis before they left. They created a new radius with some super putty and then went in and probably put about 5 layers of matte. The structural glass has been done previously from the other side. I don't remember what they used for the layup, but it was definitely 4 or 5 layers of 1708s. It's beefy. That's our above deck scene. I'm sure if you remember us glassing it from the back. This deck section, we in fact saved the old skin, but replaced the core, recreating the deck hatch lip. We filled the old rigging tube holes so we could receive our new rigging tubes in the location where we want them. Scott and Dennis are doing the last of fiberglass to the deck liner. We got our splash weld bulkhead in. Next step is to get our fillets knocked down, get the bulkhead laminated, and then boy do we have another grind and sand fest ahead of us. All part of making it Metan.